everybody, it's Yvonne again, just for a quick review on these Touch 5 fine point and chisel point broad markers that I purchased from AliExpress. I purchased this. There are 12 markers. They're alcohol markers, and I purchased them for $9.71. And these are all skin tone. I have a collection of Copics, but my skin tones are running a bit dry, and I didn't have any refills. And I thought, well, I was ordering other markers to see what they were like. Why not for $10? So I did order them, and I'm super pleased with them because normally when you do skin tones, you don't need a super big brush nib, and this one here has a nice nib on it, beautiful nib, and it also has a chisel end, which is again for the larger parts. I absolutely love them. I think they're great. They're going to be fun to experiment for different tones because there are so many different colors, as you can tell here, even with the number 0, which we all know that's a colorless blender when you're dealing with alcohol inks. The colors are super nice. I don't know if I can get it without a glare here. But you have everything for skin tones, no matter what Caucasian, no matter what, if, you know, what color your skin is, you can make it with this for sure. And being that it's a marker, you can, and they're alcohol markers, you can actually blend them in order to be able to work them. I forget what the other color I had. I think it was this one. And then you can just kind of blend them in as you go along. See, can you tell? It's starting to blend in the two colors. There's not an actual mark per se. I'm very, very interested to see how that's going to turn out because it definitely is different than my Copics. My Copics, for an example, have these types of nibs, as you know, but these are also at least $10 a piece, unless you're lucky and you hit the sale down at $1.99. I think they were selling them down at Home Depot, not Home Depot, Hobby Lobby in the States, but we don't have one of those in Canada, so these are really expensive. And I very seldom see them come on sale too. So I thought I'd give these a shot for $10, and I think they're going to work perfectly fine. You can tell, I'll push it closer. You can tell right there the difference, like the blending. There's not a defined line per se, and I didn't even put a lot of effort in it. So again, $10, 12 markers, 1 blender. So if you wanted to take some color off, you can. And voila, you have yourself some alcohol markers. Have yourself a great day, guys. This is Yvonne signing off, but most importantly, you be happy.